Yeah, so
oh my God. We have a literal river. Day 7 of our cabin build. Tomorrow marks 1 week of owning the property, so that's pretty cool. You're watching Made in the Woods. I'll get this intro thing down a little better.
yeah, someday.
Maybe.
But it's what? October?
It's October, I think 21st.
Yeah, I think so. 6 degrees?
It is currently raining outside, but we're supposed to see sunshine today. So the ultimate goal for today is to get everything weather sealed, essentially. So hopefully windows and sliding door and roof completely weatherproofed.
Yes, with the chimney and the cap on it. Basically everything on the outside, so that the next 2 days, well, tomorrow we actually have to go back to fill orders and stuff and send them out to you guys.
Hopefully we'll see the sun today. Pray for us. That's it. We are doing the windows right now. Yesterday you guys saw us put this tie par up, and today we basically just added the seal here. So this is just blue tuck tape. It's a lot stickier than the red stuff, so if you're wondering which one to go with, definitely go with blue. I think it's a bit more expensive, but it's worth it.
Yeah, it's water rated.
And then we bought this, it's called butyl tape or flashing. It comes in 6-inch and 9-inch rolls. We got a 6-inch because we did 2x4 framing as opposed to 2x6. Most important tool for this job, coffee. Don't even go out to the bush unless you got at least 20 ounces on you. Measure twice. No, that's for the birds. So this is what it looks like. It's special, like it's actual name brand tie par tape, butyl tape. Wow. We just went back to Nate's dad's place to grab our patio door, which you can probably maybe see, I don't know. Anyways, it's really heavy and
It's gonna be super easy to install.
It's gonna be super easy to install. It's gonna be super airtight and watertight and all those good things that a door should be. And plumb and square. What other words can I throw in there? Level.
Yeah, that's good. I think that's it. We should have done 3 patio doors. And we wouldn't even have to do walls.
We wouldn't have to do walls or windows.
We basically have like 3 hours, and we have to finish up the roof, finish up the chimney, finish up the patio door, finish up the tie par, and install another window. So we'll see you guys in like 3 hours.
Maybe. Okay, are we recording? Oh my god, my face is filthy. So we've prepped the hole that it's going into. Let's fucking do it!
Edit that out, I guess?
No, it's staying in. This one was on sale and it was $579.
Which way is up, which way is down?
So it's a left opening, so this is down.
Okay, so it has to do this. Easy enough. Well, no, we're just gonna drop it on this. Oh, that's the bottom?
This is the bottom.
Oh, no.
Here's all the, see? Nuance. It is left screen. Somewhere it says left opening. I don't know, you guys can probably see it. Anyways, I don't give a shit. Oh, wait. Sure that's really on there, eh? Okay. Oh.
Hello.
Watch out. That's how easy that was? That's alarming.
Just Can't touch the tab.
Can't touch a tab. Nice. That works. Hey.
All right, guys. It's day 7, and it is 6:43. But look at this. Everything is sealed up. How amazing is that? Everything. We're good. So now
Ready for a rainstorm.
yeah, now it's gonna storm for the next 2 days, and that's okay. So tomorrow we're going back to the shop and we're gonna send out all the orders, and then we'll be back tomorrow night. I don't think we'll get here. We might just do a supply run, drop stuff off, and then Friday there's supposed to be a wicked thunderstorm. So I'm thinking we're gonna be insulating, which would be pretty exciting.
You can't tell, but
Do
my
it.
fingers are
Do it.
crossed.
Don't cross them both, it doesn't count.
I know. I only even do one.
All right, cool. Well, that's it. So there you go. It only takes 7 days. It's pretty easy.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you like it, you can hit subscribe or like or maybe comment.
Yeah, leave us a comment. Leave us all the bad comments.
But nice comments.
Yeah.
We're already tired enough.
Don't be a D-bag, okay?
It is I think the 22nd of October. So it's technically day 8. We went back to the shop today, which is 2.5 hours away from our cabin. So went back, did a bunch of orders, and now we're back. It's been raining pretty much all day. So we got everything sealed in yesterday night. So let's go check it out and see if there's any rain inside the cabin.
Looks wet.
Like a bit of wetness down here. But the ceiling looks pretty dry. Well, I mean, if we stay here for more than half an hour, we'll find out. Although this looks like it was all freshly splashed. You can kind of tell by the way that the sawdust is kind of splashed out of the way, but it doesn't really make any sense.
No, because
it looks super dry up top.
Yeah, everything's super dry. But this was all water yesterday, so I mean,
Yeah.
it could have just taken that long to get to this far, because it's pretty dry compared to yesterday.
Yeah, well, we'll hang out here for a bit and see if any water starts dripping on our heads. We're gonna try and set up the fireplace just temporarily so that we can work inside and get all the insulation and all that good stuff in here. So stay tuned. You guys want to hear something fucking gross? We just paid $10 for a single 2x4.
And
Like
we bought 5 of them.
$9.99 each.
It makes me sick. If I didn't like my breakfast so much, I would throw it up right now.
That's more than double what we paid back in Sudbury.
Yeah, we also don't know the prices of Sudbury right now. Maybe everything's skyrocketing.
COVID can eat crap. Good morning, people. Welcome to another episode of Made in the Woods. Or maybe this is the same episode. I don't really know.
We're just gonna keep saying that it's another episode.
Every day is a new episode.
Yeah.
We are day
136.
I think. What day are we today?
Day 9.
We're day 9. Right, yes, we're day 9. We are hopefully going to get all of our insulation in the ceiling today. Oh, we also brought the old man with us today.
Yeah, it's his first day on the job.
It's his first day on the job. He hasn't done a lick to help us yet, so.
He's not much of a worker, he's more of an eater.
Yeah, so stay tuned. All right, we are here. Oh, good.
Oh,
Right
shit.
in an awesome
Want me to put a board down?
if you can. I'm only wearing my $25 Costco Sorels, so. Whoop. All right, should we get the pooch? Get the old man. Oh, you can carry him.
It's gonna get one of these puddles.
Oh my god, he's so
agile.
He's so agile. He is so confused right now.
He's like a fox.
Stay in there, buddy. Stay in there.
People are gonna be like, what kind of an animal is that?
He's definitely not built for the bush. The old man found a good spot. And Nathan is about to spray foam our windows and doors. So we bought this stuff, low expansion.
It's great stuff.
Oh, okay, anyways.
Corn factory.
A huge gap. We overestimated the size of the hole that we needed for the door, so we're just gonna go ahead and spray a bunch of spray foam in there and see how she goes. All right. Do we ever have an issue? Okay, you guys ready for this? We have a literal river. Like, our blind over there is totally soaked, like literally probably gonna float away if we don't watch it, so.
Yeah,
oh my god.
So it's just falling in a flat rock. That's the issue.
So I wonder if just because that's all piled up there. Holy shit. Alright, well.
Well, you wanted a water feature. Check this little water feature out. Pretty good, eh? Everything's floating. Well, we got her banked up. So, should have brought the boat today. And might put her up for sale. Not sure. Waterfront, 22 acres. Probably get some good coin. Clean up the plywood a bit, but yeah, good day, good Friday. So we had a bit of a break in the rain. So I'll take you, this is not where we're storing our insulation, so never mind. I'll show you the insulation that we're using. It's from Lowe's, and it's R12 2x4 wall, and it's really cheap. All right, pulling into the camp. Let's see how flooded it is. A little bit. I mean, there's enough to park a small car. But there it is. Put the tires to a test anyways. All right, so when you're doing insulation, you're gonna want to make sure that you don't just cram it up in the middle. You actually want to see how it balls down here and here. Go down. You want it to actually sit like that. So then once your vapor barrier is on, over time it's going to work. It's from the vibration, it'll work its way down and balance really nicely, and adds that cushion. And just tuck it in really nicely. Insulation's, it's actually pretty easy, but you can mess it up really, really quick. It's a lot like running. It really sucks and nobody should ever have to do it. And you get really sweaty.
So we need our slab stapler to do the vapor barrier on the ceiling, and the slab stapler is in our tote, and our tote is in a lake over there. You can kind of barely see it. It's got a blue lid on it. It's like right in the middle of the screen there. Nate's gonna go get it. Wow, that window is filthy. Oh my god. He's literally gonna float it downriver. Oh my good god. And there's our vapor barrier. doing?